friends, welcome to Motivational and Educational channel. Today we are learning next topic. Reflection of light. Chapter 11. Class 9. Science and Technology Part 1. Can you recall? Textbook page number 115. What is light? Answer. Light is an electromagnetic radiation which causes the sensation of vision. What is meant by reflection of light? Which are the different types of reflection? Answer. When light is incident on surface of object, it is reflected in different directions. It is called reflection of light. Type 1. Reflection from smooth surface, regular reflection. 2. Reflection from rough surface, irregular reflection. Can you tell? Textbook page number 115. What is a mirror? Answer. A mirror is a surface which reflects light and produces a clear image. Can you recall? Textbook page number 115. What are the laws of reflection of light? Answer. The incident ray and the reflected ray of light are on the opposite side of normal. They are on the same plane. The angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal in measure. Can you tell? Textbook page number 116. If we hold a page of a book in front of a mirror, we see laterally inverted letters in the mirror. Why does it happen? Answer. Lateral inversion is essentially the result of image formation according to the law of reflection. Which letters of the English alphabet form images that look the same as the original letters? Answer. A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Use your brain power. Textbook page number 117. When a person stands in front of a plane mirror, how is the image formed? What is the nature of the image? Answer. Image is virtual, erect, same size of the object and the same distance of the person from the mirror. But his right hand appears to be left and left hand appears to be right. This is called lateral inversion. Use your brain power. Textbook page number 119. What is the difference between the principal focus of the concave and convex mirrors? Answer. The principal focus of the concave mirror is real, while that of convex mirror is virtual. Exercise. Question 1. Answer the following questions. Explain the difference between a plane mirror, a concave mirror and a convex mirror with respect to the type and size of the images produced. Answer. Plane mirror. Image virtual, erect and of the same size as that of the object. Concave mirror. Depending on the distance between the object and the mirror, the image is real or virtual, inverted, smaller or larger, or of the same size as that of the object. Convex mirror. The image is virtual, erect, smaller than the object. Describe the positions of the source of light with respect to a concave mirror in torch light, projector lamp, floodlight. Answer. Position of a source of light in a torch light at the focus of the concave mirror to obtain parallel beam of light. Projector lamp. at the center of curvature. Floodlight beyond the center of curvature. Why are concave mirrors used in solar devices? Answer. When rays of light coming from sun and parallel to the principal axis incident on a concave mirror, after reflection they converge to a single point, resulting in the concentration of heat of the sunlight at that point. Hence, concave mirrors are used in solar devices. Why are the mirrors fitted on the outside of cars convex? Answer. The mirrors fitted on the outside of the cars are convex. It enables the driver to get an erect, clear, complete, and diminished view of the vehicles coming from behind. Why does obtaining the image of the sun on a paper with the help of a concave mirror burn the paper? Answer. When rays coming from sun and parallel to the principal axis are incident on a concave mirror, after reflection, they converge to a single point. So, convex mirror is a focusing mirror. This results in concentration of heat at that point and the paper burns. If a spherical mirror breaks, what type of mirrors are the individual pieces? Answer. If a spherical mirror breaks, the individual pieces are of the same type as the original mirror, concave or convex, because there is no change in the nature of the reflecting surface and the radius of curvature. What sign conventions are used for reflection from a spherical mirror? Answer. The object is always kept on the left of the mirror. All distances measured towards the right of the pole are taken to be positive and towards the left are taken to be negative. Distances measured vertically upwards from the principal axis are taken to be positive and vertically downwards from the principal axis are taken to be negative. The focal length of a concave mirror is negative, while that of a convex mirror is positive. Question 3. Draw ray diagrams for the cases of images obtained in concave mirrors as described in the table on page 122. Object between pole and focus. Image behind the mirror. Erect, virtual and magnified. Object at the focus. Image at infinity. Inverted, real, very large. Object between focus and center of curvature. Image beyond the center of curvature. Inverted, real, magnified. Object at the center of curvature. Image at the center of curvature is inverted, real, same as object. Object beyond the center of curvature. Image between center of curvature and focus. Inverted, real and diminished. Object at a very large, infinite distance. Image at focus is inverted, real and point image. Which type of mirrors are used in the following? Periscope, floodlights, shaving mirror, kaleidoscope, street lights, headlamps of a car. Answer. Plane mirror, periscope, kaleidoscope. Concave mirror, floodlights, shaving mirror, headlamps of car. Convex mirror, street lights. Solve the following examples. An object of height 7 cm is kept at a distance of 25 cm in front of a concave mirror. The focal length of the mirror is 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be kept so as to get a clear image? What will be the size and nature of the image? Answer. Given h1 is equal to 7 cm. For concave mirror, u is equal to minus 25 cm. F is equal to minus 15 cm. Now we have to find out V and H2. As image is obtained on a screen, it must be a real image. Mirror formula is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Therefore, 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon minus 15 cm minus 1 upon minus 25 cm. By taking minus sign common, in bracket 1 upon 15 cm minus 1 upon 25 cm is equal to minus in bracket 5 minus 3 upon 75 cm is equal to minus 2 upon 75 cm. Therefore, V is equal to minus 75 cm upon 2 is equal to minus 37.5 cm. Screen should be placed at 37.5 cm. Magnification formula is h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. Therefore, h2 is equal to minus h1 into v upon u. Therefore, h2 is equal to minus 7 cm into in bracket minus 37.5 cm upon minus 25 cm is equal to minus 7 into 1.5 cm is equal to minus 10.5 cm. Therefore, the size of the image h2 is equal to minus 10.5 cm. The minus sign shows that the image is inverted. A convex mirror has a focal length of 18 cm. The image of an object kept in front of the mirror is half the height of the object. What is the distance of the object from the mirror? Answer. Given f is equal to 18 cm. h2 is equal to h1 upon 2. Therefore, we have to find out u is equal to. Magnification formula m is equal to h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, v is equal to minus u upon 2. Mirror formula is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Therefore, 1 upon minus u upon 2 plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Therefore, 1 upon u in bracket 1 minus 2 bracket complete is equal to 1 upon f. Therefore, minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Therefore, u is equal to minus f is equal to minus 18 cm. The object is kept at 18 cm in front of the mirror. A 10 cm long stick is kept in front of a concave mirror, having focal length of 10 cm in such a way that the end of the stick closest to the pole is at a distance of 20 cm. What will be the length of the image? Answer. Given h1 is equal to 10 cm, f is equal to minus 10 cm, u is equal to minus 20 cm. We have to find out h2. Mirror formula 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Therefore, 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Therefore, u upon v is equal to u upon f minus 1 is equal to minus 20 cm upon minus 10 cm minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, v upon u is equal to 1. Now, magnification m is equal to h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. Therefore, h2 is equal to minus v upon u into h1 is equal to minus 1 into h1 is equal to minus 1 into 10 centimeter is equal to minus 10 centimeter. The minus sign shows that the image is inverted. The length of the image is equal to 10 centimeter without considering the minus sign. 3 mirrors are created from a single sphere. Which of the following: pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature, principal axis will be common to them and which will not be common? Answer: the center of curvature and the radius of curvature will be common, while the pole and the principal axis will not be common. Dear students, for more educational videos, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.